Think you've had good street food? Wait till you try Vietnam's top 3. A sandwich with a French twist, soup that simmers for 12 hours, and a coffee that tastes like dessert. First up, banh mi, the crispiest fusion sandwich ever. Born from French colonialism, it's where the classic baguette meets bold Vietnamese flavor. But here's a twist. Vietnamese bakers lighten and crisp the bread using rice flour, making it airier than any French original. Each region puts its own spin on banh mi. In Hanoi, you'll find rich pâté packed inside, while Saigon's version piles on pork belly and a mountain of fresh herbs. And the best part? You'll often pay less than $1 for this gourmet street food. Would you try this spicy version? Next is pho, Vietnam's soul in a bowl. Pho isn't just a meal, it's a national symbol of comfort. The secret's in the broth, which simmers for up to 12 hours and swirls with flavors of star anise, cinnamon, ginger, and beef bones. There are 2 main types. Pho bac from the north is simple and clear, while pho nam from the south brings more toppings and a hint of sweetness. And get this, it's a breakfast dish. Locals start their mornings perched on tiny stools, slurping hot pho at street stalls. Don't forget to master the pho slurp. Finally, you've never had coffee like this? Egg coffee, Vietnam's creamy dessert in a cup. Invented in Hanoi during a milk shortage, clever baristas whipped egg yolks, sugar, and condensed milk into a thick, luscious cream, pouring it over strong, bitter Vietnamese Robusta coffee. The result? A drink that tastes like tiramisu crossed with a cappuccino, rich, foamy, sweet, and powerful. It can be served hot or cold, and some cafes even flame it right at your table for a dramatic finish. Would you dare to try coffee with raw egg? Which of these would you try first, or have you tasted them all? Drop your favorite Vietnamese dish in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more food discoveries from around the world.